Joshua hasn't got a clue where he is. He's in the isolation cage, and he doesn't really know what he's doing, where he's going. I'm not sure he's very good at spotting the bars either, because he does try and fly, and obviously in a cage there's not really a lot of room. He seems happy enough because he's tweeting away, but he's surprised that he can't get out. Gone into a calm period again. Hopefully there is nothing wrong with him. He is on a course of bait drill because he was tail bobbing last week, and that's kind of a sign that he's... Oops, where have we gone? That's kind of a sign that there's something wrong with his breathing. And when I had a look at his nose, he's got internal flaps, which I was worried were foreign bodies of some sort. So I had to get him to the vet, who said probably it's just a little idiosyncrasy of his, because he's a clear wing. They are known for having, for not exactly following normal budgie rules. So they said give him some bait drill just in case, but he's probably okay. He certainly seems rather happy, if not a bit confused as to actually where he is. So, Josie appears to have abandoned the flock in favour of spending all day sitting on top of the cage. Why? Because because Joshua is inside the cage. And the two are a pair. At least this proves my theory that they actually are together. It might now be worth getting a nesting box for budgies and just putting them both in a cage and seeing what happens. I shall consider that. Joshua, there's nothing wrong with Joshua, we don't think. But I caught him tail bobbing, saw something peculiar about his nose, and took him to the vet just in case, and now he's on bait drill, which is supposed to be the answer to everything. And I'm going to keep him on it for another just day or two before I let him out. But I may well keep him in and just put Josie inside and see what happens. Decisions.